Okay, so this is Friday, November 8th, and this is what we traded in the trading room. So let's start off with the ES. The ES, first signal went short, it went down. Second signal went long, it went up. Third signal went long just a little tiny bit, and then this next signal went short, but only for a little bit. And then the next signal went long, went up went up okay. The next signal, I can't tell for sure there's a signal there, but I think it went long and only for a little bit. Next signal, there was no signal, and then the following signal was a short signal, it went down. Following signal was a short signal, it went down. Following signal, it looks like it was a short and it was no good. And then the next signal was a long. Actually, no, I take that back. That one was good. It was only good for a small amount though. And then the next signal went long and it went all the way up. Let's take a look at the YM. YM is similar. First signal went short, it went down. Second signal, there was no signal. Third, it was a short, it went down. Fourth, it was a short, it went down just a little bit. The next one, it went long, it went up. Next one, no signal. Next one went long, it went up. Next one went short, it went down. Next one went short, it went down. Next one went short, it went down just a little bit. And then it went back long again. Good for a lot. Okay, let's look at oil, CL. Oil moves even more. First one went short for a bit there. Next one was a long, went all the way up. Next one was a long, went all the way up. Next one was a long, went all the way up. Next one was a long, went up just a little bit. Next one, no signal. Next one went short. Next one went short, went down. Next one went long, went back up. Next one went long, went up a little bit, and then just went sideways for the rest of the day. And then UGAZ. This one, first one was a short, went down. Second one was a short, just went down a little bit. Next one was a long, only went up a little tiny bit, really. And then the next one was a short, it came all the way down. Next one was a long, and it went all the way up. Next one after that was a long, and it went up just a little bit there. Well, not more than just a little bit. That's like what, almost 30 ticks right there. And then the next one went up. And then the next one was a short, it went down. The next one is a short, it went down. Next one is a short, it went down. So as you can see, my system and my trading room is working extremely well. And these are not at all hard to take. And you can take whichever one you choose to take. Every day, every week, every time, for the most part, there's going to be a different stock there. And usually always a stock here on the left side as well. It's just that right now oil has been doing well, so I wanted to also trade oil, and there hasn't been very many stocks, at least not on my scanners that I see. And so there's really not a whole lot out there. But CL is moving, and the markets are moving, just not individual stocks so much. Or at least not the ones that I generally play, which is between 25 cents and $25. I could play, if it really starts to dry up like that for a long period of time, I could play higher ones. But as a general rule, I don't ever need to. Just that right now, individual stocks, according to my scanners, are not so hot right now. But UGAZ is a good trader, and it goes up and down, and it moves pretty good, and system works good on it, so I'm just tracking it for right now. But as soon as something hot comes around for stocks, I'll be all over it again, and we'll have two of them going. But for now, we got plenty of options. The ES, the YM, CL, UGAZ, and or something else. Anyway, the trading room is doing great, and I will be back on Tuesday in the trading room again, because Monday is Veterans Day and the market is likely going to be pretty choppy and going sideways, not really worth trading. So I'll be back on Tuesday for some more trading inside the trading room. I hope all of you are doing well in your trading, and if not, by all means, come into my trading room. Pick which one you want to trade and make money for yourself. It's really easy inside the trading room since I'm calling out all the codes. Code 1, Code 2, and Code 3. I'm calling everything out inside the trading room and tracking everything so that you don't have to. Pick which instrument you want to trade and start trading it. See you inside the room.